Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we will see how to use the sketch setup command in Creo Parametric and the reference command, and third one the sketch view. Okay, so let's get started. Those who are new on this channel, so kindly subscribe the channel, and those who don't have the software, please go to the channel and how to download the software. The link is, I also have made the video on that also. Okay, so how to install and how to download the software in free, you can get that one. Okay, so those who have the Creoparametric software, click on the file, open your software and click on the file, take the new file, then just click on part in type and subtype as a solid and take this tick mark, click on the OK, and next just click on the millimeters and click on the OK. Here the system has generated the interface for working. Different planes are here, front, top and right planes. And now basically we used to use this front plane. I use front plane for drawing purpose. Just click on front, and after click on front, just click on model and click the sketch view and click on take the sketch and click on here. This is the sketch view. This command is also here, and in the sketch tab this command is here. Here you can see, because today in this video we will see these three command, and one command we just about to see, this sketch view. After clicking on sketch view, here you can see the implication. It's in a better clarify view of the drawing. Okay, in firstly we select the plane and then in sketch view. Okay, and the second is sketch setup. In sketch setup, different plane you can select for drawing purpose. As I just select this front plane. Okay, so if I just click on this front command, which is the sketch setup. After clicking here, you can see the right plane, right datum plane is here. You can click on top, again top, bottom and left view are here. After clicking on, just click on the sketch. Okay, so here the right plane is there. Okay, so in this way you can change the sketch setup in this. This command completed, and the next this also completed, third one sketch view, and this is about this reference command. We require to draw some object or some drawing. So I will take this rectangle command, take the center rectangle, click here, start from the center point, and this is the second point of the rectangle. Click and move aside and click middle mouse button of the mouse, and the system has generated rectangle for me and with the dimensions. Then again just go to the sketch, and here you can see this command is here. Okay, reference command. So first of all, just click the object. Drawing is completed. Now go to the model and click on extrude command. Object is extruded. Okay, go to extrude. I will make the separate video on extrude. In this we will just use for this purpose. Click on the green tick mark. Okay, now the rectangular object is extruded. Okay, or 3D model you can say. Now I wanted to make again the next sketch or next drawing on this surface. Okay, so what I will do, I want this reference edges. Okay, because if I am going to drawing on this rectangle face. Okay, for this rectangle faces, first of all click on the surface, then go to the model, click on the sketch. Okay, and click on the sketch view, and next click on sketch, and next here the command is here. You just click on reference, command is activated, and we have to select the reference edges. Okay, where we are going to draw any object. Okay, here the command is here, you can see this command. Okay, so if select, I am going to select this edge, reference line is created. If I am going to select this edge, again second reference line is generated. Select this edge also, select all these edges where I wanted to make the drawing. What the purpose of this main drawing command is that if I am taking the reference edges on the drawing, then whatever the drawing I am going to create on this, like just take another circle, center circle, start to draw from the center point, and here it's directly automatically get match. Here you can see automatically get matched to the edges of the rectangular. Okay, like this. Just go there and click and move aside and click middle mouse button. Here second rectangle is created. Go to the sketch, click on OK, and now you can extrude this object. Click on the model and extrude. Okay, here you can see this is the second rectangle or second model and second rectangular extruded. Okay, click on green tick mark. Okay, so in this way you can use this command references, sketch setup and sketch view. Thank you for watching the videos.